These are the four factors affecting drag for A-level PE, and drag is both air and water resistance in this case, but here we're focusing just on air resistance because we're looking at a cyclist. So let's talk about the three that the cyclist or any performer would actually take into account, and then how you can mention this one in your answer, but athletes don't actually pay attention to this one. So, firstly, in an ideal scenario, they will want to reduce the amount of drag acting on them at any given time. And the way that they would do that is they would reduce the size of their frontal cross sectional area, in this case by the athlete hunching over the handlebars and tucking in. They would try and use streamlined shapes, and the most streamlined shape that exists is the teardrop shape. So, in the context of the cyclist, you could mention their teardrop shaped helmet. And then they would try and create the smoothest surfaces possible. And they do that by wearing the Lycra suit, but also by shaving body hair as well. Now, technically, with velocity, the quicker you go, the more drag that acts on you. So technically, if you wanted to reduce drag, you could reduce your velocity. And you can put that in the exam, but then you just say that this would not be feasible for the athlete to do because they're always trying to travel as quickly as possible. So overall, instead, they ignore this one and they just focus on trying to create the smallest frontal cross-sectional area, getting into teardrop positions or using teardrop shaped equipment and creating the smoothest surfaces possible.